In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your website. Understanding how your website performs and how your visitors interact with your content is essential for making informed decisions and optimizing your digital presence. Google Analytics offers a comprehensive platform for tracking a wide range of metrics, from user engagement to traffic sources. Now, let's jump right in and get started on adding Google Analytics to your website. First, you'll need to get the gtag.js snippet from your Google Analytics account. To do this, head over to your data stream. Once there, you'll find the option labeled Install Manually. Click on it, and you'll be provided with a JavaScript code snippet. This piece of code is crucial, as it will collect and send data about your website's performance back to Google Analytics. So, make sure you've copied it correctly. If you're unfamiliar with what a data stream is, it's essentially a way for Google Analytics to connect to your website to fetch and analyze data. Moving on, it's time to paste the snippet into your website's HTML code. You'll want to place it specifically within the section of each page you want to track. This is typically done by editing a file such as header.php if you're using a WordPress site, or a similar site header section if you're using other website building platforms. The section is chosen because it ensures the code loads right from the start, capturing all visitor interactions. To avoid any issues during this process, it's highly recommended to back up your current header file before making any changes, so you can easily restore it if something goes wrong. After you've successfully added the code to your section, you might naturally wonder if everything is set up correctly. This is where you need to verify the implementation. Google Analytics provides a real-time report, which is an excellent way to confirm that things are working as expected. Give it a few minutes, and then check the real-time report in GA4. Here, you should start seeing some data trickling in, indicating that the code is functioning and your site data is being captured correctly. If no data appears, recheck your steps to ensure the code is in the right place and there are no typos or errors. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Analytics into your website, opening up a world of insights about your site visitors and their behavior. Remember, gaining a solid understanding of how people engage with your website is key to growing your online presence and meeting your business goals. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your analytics journey.